Alright, good afternoon, Algebros. Mr. Jeffers here with the Algebra 2 lesson. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe, bell. We're doing some practice on our box method of factoring that we did yesterday. And I'm talking mainly to the screen because only about 3 people are listening. So, our AC, that's 3 times negative 5, which is negative 15. Our B is negative 2. Alright, the negative 15 tells us our signs are different. The negative 2 tells us our bigger factor is negative. Now, okay, apparently somebody's drinking liquids for the first time. Now, so we're here coughing. So we got to find the factors of negative 15 that combine the negative 2. Well, there's really only a few factors of 15. 5 and 3. Okay, and our bigger number is going to be negative, so like this. Alright, now when I'm finding the GCF, the biggest that's the greatest common factor, the biggest number that will divide both of these. So biggest number that will divide 3 and 5, 1. Now with the variables, it's the smallest exponent, so this will just be x. Alright, down here it's almost the same thing. The only thing I can take out of 3 and negative 5 is 1. So I can write 1x plus 1 or x plus 1 right here. Alright, going up here, biggest thing I can divide out of 3 and 3 is 3. The smallest exponent x is x. Now remember, when the first thing you look at is a negative, you're going to divide out a negative. What is the biggest number we can divide out of 5 and 5? 5. 3x minus 5. Now, you could have also written it like this. If you wrote 3x minus 5 first, and then x plus 1 second, that's fine. Was that your question? Yep, because that was the first time I hadn't wrote it twice. Yep. Okay. Everybody must have really slept good last night, because all the information from yesterday just drained out of everybody's brain.
Sure did. I'm pretty good over here. The only part that I'm getting confused on is
All right. Shh. All right. So our A times our C, negative 18. This tells us our signs are different. Our bigger factor is going to be positive. All right. So the factors of negative 18 that combine to give us positive 3. Yeah, it's a positive 6 and a negative 3. Now, I know I'm not filling out this little box right here. You don't have to. I have it because some people have to write down every single factor. Okay, and if you have those multiplication sheets, you look for that number and then to up and down, left or right or whatever. That's how you get that. Now, biggest number I can divide out of 2 and 6 is 2. Smallest power x is x. Got another negative, so negative goes here. Biggest thing I can take out of 3 and 9 is 3. Alright. And then, 2x minus 3 or 2x minus 3. Then up here, biggest thing I can take out of 2 and 3 is 1. And then x. And the biggest thing I can take out of 6 and 9 is 3. So, okay. So, now, remember, all this right here, everything that I have on the left, That's actually the thought process you should be going through in your mind. I just have you writing it down or filling in block boxes, so hopefully it is more visual. If you're like me, you probably have random facts and silly movie quotes sitting there all the time. None of y'all have anything like that. All y'all have is good knowledge in your brain, right? Y'all don't have to worry about stuff like 6, 7, and all that other kind of stuff. All right. So, and then 3 times 4, we got this, and then -8. So this time, bless you, both our numbers are going to be the same. They're both going to be negative. I really wish I could talk. I just can't. Doesn't work right now. All right. So factors of 12 that give us 8. You know, there's lots of factors of 12, but they should be -2x and -6. Biggest thing, this is a 1. Oh, got to take out a negative. Okay. Oh. Squared and 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. Alright, so you know, as long as yes.
Does it matter if 6 or -6x and -2x are like?
No. It doesn't matter if it doesn't matter if the question was does it matter if our numbers happen to be swapped. These two numbers, their placement doesn't matter. You should still get the same factors at the end. Okay, now it's going to vary from person to person. That's why I'm writing it like this, because you should still have these terms on the outside. All right. On the outside looking in. Plus 19. So they're both going to be the same. They're both going to be positive. Okay. So yep, 15x and 4x. Now, we should get a 5 out of here, and an x, and a 4 out of here. Alright, we should get a 1 and an x right here, and a plus 3 here. Okay. All right. So are we feeling a little bit better about it? Maybe, kind of, sort of. All right. 2 times 5 is 10. The add up to positive 10 adds up to 11. All right. So these are going to be both the same. They're both going to be positive. All right. So two numbers that when you multiply them, you get 10. You add them, you get 11.
10 and 1.
Yep. GCF right here would be 2x 1. This right here would be a 1x plus 5. It's the biggest number that will divide both of them. Okay. Did you get one of those sheets? All right, and you know how to use it? Okay. Ah. All right, go to number 5. Two times 2, this is 4. Same. I'm glad I put all the easy ones on the practice, so all the hard ones are on the check on learning. I'm joking. I thought that would be funny. I wanted to see how many people would kind of freak out. All right. What two numbers, when you multiply them, you get 4, but when you add them, you get 5? X plus 1, 2x plus 1. One x plus 2. All right. Are we Gucci? I hope that means something good. I don't want to like look it up on. I don't want. No, Gucci.
Okay. You know what a gooch is, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's a real person that lives. Please do. Go ahead, Robbie. I'm just
All right, so they're going to be the same. They're both going to be negative. Squared.
Oh, God. You still recording?
Yes. So the factors of 16 that combine to give you 17.
The whole world knows I'm a son of a gooch.
All right. Minus 1. 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1. This would be just a 1x minus 4. All right. And last but not least, what if all the math teachers started like recording their lessons like this?
But they
They
are
get fired.
copycats.
They don't
Good
teach.
start.
No. I mean, like I do to help students.
No, they can't.
They can't be like me.
No. They don't teach, though.
They don't teach.
So, yeah, they don't teach. They just tell us what to do and expect us to know it.
45,
No, they don't teach.
18. So these are both going to be the same.
I learned something off of
All right, the factors of 45 that combine to give us 18 is going to be 15 and 3. This microphone picks up more than y'all think, y'all. I can't wait to listen to this later. All right, so 5x minus 3. You got 1x minus 3. 3 and x minus 3. All right, so that's our lesson. We're about to have a check on learning. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe, hit the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.